In this video, you'll learn how to switch from the hosting a website builder back to WordPress. If you started your site using the builder but now want the flexibility and control that WordPress offers, I'll walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. Before we dive into the actual steps, it's helpful to understand what we're doing. Your current site is using hosting as website builder, and we're going to move you over to a WordPress installation on the same hosting account. That means you'll be setting up WordPress as your new platform while making sure your existing site content can be exported and reused as needed. First, you'll want to export your hosting a website using the builder dataset. This option lets you take content and structure from your current builder site and save it in a format that can be used later. Look in the builder settings or export section for an option related to exporting or downloading your site data or dataset. When you see an option to export the builder dataset, go ahead and run that export and save the file somewhere safe on your computer. This is essentially your backup and reference. Even if you end up rebuilding parts of your site in WordPress, having that dataset will make it much easier to copy over text, images, and structure without starting from scratch. Once you have the export saved, you're ready to set up WordPress. Go to your Hostingja control panel, also known as H panel, and log into your hosting account. On the main dashboard, look for the option that says Create or Migrate a Website. This is the section where Hostingja lets you start a new site or move an existing one onto their servers. Click on Create or Migrate a Website. You'll be presented with a few choices for how you want to build your site. Here, you'll want to select WordPress as your platform. This tells Hostingja you're switching away from the builder and that you want a WordPress-powered website instead. Choosing WordPress will start a simple setup wizard, so just follow the prompts on the screen. During this setup, you'll be asked to create your WordPress login details. This is one of the most important parts of the process. Set up your WordPress admin email and password carefully. Use an email address you check regularly because this will be used for password recovery and important notifications from your site. For the password, choose something strong and unique with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your site secure. Avoid reusing passwords from other services. Once you confirm your admin email and password, the setup will install WordPress on your hosting account. After the installation is complete, you'll be able to log in to your new WordPress dashboard using the credentials you just created. From there, you can begin recreating or importing your content using the builder dataset you exported earlier, adding pages, posts, themes, and plugins to match or improve on your previous design. That's all there is to switching from hosting as website builder back to WordPress at a high level. Export your builder website dataset, go into H panel and choose to create or migrate a website, select WordPress as your platform, and then set up your WordPress admin email and password. With those steps done, you'll be ready to build and manage your site with the full power and flexibility of WordPress.